cool. So you can see my board. This is our dashboard for Android and iPhone app development. It also creates an HTML5 website, but I wouldn't really call it a website as much as it's more of an online app, or it's called a progressive web app to be technical. But what's nice about this, it's sort of like the Model T in a way that you're not going to build Facebook with this or the next Tinder, but you're going to definitely be able to build a solid solution for your business that you can start transacting online. The system that we're looking at right now is for a client that he realized that with COVID, he needs to really move into personal training, online training, and find other revenue sources beyond direct at his gym, with his gym being shut down. So with that being said, we were able to quickly prototype a solution for him, and we're working on this launched as we speak. What's nice about our platform is that there's a couple different ways you can choose to build it. There's the design. Here's your navigation on the left-hand side. Our navigation, what's nice about it is that once you have an application on the App Store, our same dashboard's where you're going to go to manage your app, do your push notifications, do new publishing parts of your app if you need to make modifications to it. It gives you really cool solutions to help you grow your dashboard. It gives you all your analytics from your dashboard. So you're going to design your app, you're going to build it, you're going to publish it, and you're going to manage it from one spot. And that's going to manage on Android and iPhones at the same time. So with our solution, you're not going to have an app that you're going to have to rely on an app developer all the time. You're the app developer. You're going to build it, you're going to design it, create it, launch it, manage it all through our platform. We're going to host it for you and give you that source to ensure that we're handling our platform in a way that you're always going to be up to date to the latest Apple and Android standards, and you can just focus on your business. Going back sort of to the Model T statement, you can have it any way you want as long as it's black. I think we're a little bit more advanced than Henry Ford. However, this is sort of an assembly line design system that allows you to build an app almost like on an assembly line. And it's not cookie cutter, but it's definitely going to be able to be built by those that do not have developer experience. So if you've ever built a website, you can absolutely leverage our app platform in a way that's very significant for your business. Under the dashboard, that's where you can see your analytics. I actually clicked on under the Create tab, and I'm under the Design area. In this area, you get to pick your navigation style. We chose the scrolling menu, and that's this scrolling menu over here on the right. You can do your background colors. You can add your branding, which is up here. You can add your home screen background picture. Jimbo works out, obviously. So that's what he's going with for his data background for his app. Once you design the design style and your navigation style and upload your logos and color scheme, you're then going to get into building your actual app itself. When you go to build your app, our platform has about roughly 30 different built-in solutions. Some will fit your business, some will not. You can just simply go down and find the ones that fit your business. A call us button is here. If you are running a restaurant right now and you want to take online orders, and you can either leverage Uber Eats or DoorDash or Grubhub, or you can build it yourself and not pay those premiums and only pay for the transaction fee. So it's going to give you the autonomy to build a better relationship with your customers and not depend on third-party networks that may be charging you as high as 20 to 30% for every purchase. So that's a very nice feature. You can integrate your event calendar. You can build custom forms. You can build an About Us area. If you're a golf course, we have a very specific feature that allows you to map your golf course. It's really cool. It'll come down on top of Google Maps, and from that you can lay out your pars and sort of your lined recommendation on like how you should do your drive to your chip shots to your putts to get into your par on each hole. We can do coupon codes that are GPS based. So if you have a brick and mortar store, someone has your app downloaded and they're driving by your location, you can automate the couponing that says, hey, it was Taco Tuesday, Cinco de Mayo a few days ago. Stop in today for your discount. You know, with it being Thursday today, if you have a discount or a coupon, you can do that based upon the users having an app downloaded onto their phone, and then you just setting up your couponing mechanism. There is a basic loyalty program in here. So what's nice about this feature is that if you set up your loyalty program that it's like buy 10, get one free, our system has the punch card system developed that you can stamp on the punch on your phone as opposed to doing a paper-based card. This is great for loyalty incentives. You can also have people check in at your location or share your location on social media to get points for loyalty. So all of that's a really nice introduction to loyalty. There's e-commerce merchandising built in. If you're a real estate, there's a mortgage calendar. If you are running real estate too, we can pull in the MLS feeds so you can share your listings. You can do news. You can do PDFs if you have those. If you're running a podcast, you can start adding your podcasts into the system. And what's nice is once you integrate your podcast or your YouTube channel, you create a new video and it's going to automatically add it to the app. So you will not need to do any further coding once those are connected. You can do reservations with this system or service orders. You can have people complete questionnaires. There's just several different things that we can bring in to the app natively that will enable you to build sort of a robust app. What makes it really interesting is that we sort of have a wild card thing, and it's like a link to a website. So for Jimbo's, he has a personal training platform that he utilizes. So we were very capable, and it was fairly easy to just add that URL to his customized personal training platform. That's a SaaS system that's outside of our app, and he brings it into the app platform. So anybody that is using a third-party solution that may be used for learning management systems, for any type of integrations to your current website, if you have one, any integration to solutions that you've already built or plan on building that you would like to have in the website feature, you can do that. And by doing that, it wraps your content within the Android iPhone app. So you now have a true app with strong functionality for your business.
Wow. That's actually amazing to see the features that they don't have. I mean, people doesn't have to have a developer constantly, fixing their app. I mean, this app probably worth how much, Chris, with today's market in the progressive web app?
So to build the app, and I mean, there's ways you can do this out there, certainly. I would think you're going to fall into a minimum. If you do it yourself, you find some platforms, $250 a month minimum. If you're going to build an app and you go to an app developer, they're going to start at $5,000 and go up to $100,000 minimum for your business. And that's where I found that for most small businesses, and when I say small businesses, I don't mean just like mom and pop. I mean 100 million a year businesses. It's too cost prohibitive to build an app, and it's too difficult for companies to understand what they need in an app to make it successful. So by having the groundwork put in place where you can build your own app quickly, easily, efficiently, get it on the app stores and have it in a managed environment that you're in compliance with the app stores, it becomes priceless. There's so many people that I've met that they've had so much costing that they've thrown into just their website, and they've had zero performance from their website. They feel that technology has never really paid off for them. When they utilize our systems, they go from 0 leads to hundreds of leads a month. And for a small business, that honestly changes the way they can operate. Do they have one employee, or do they have 20 and now they have the ability to grow? Do they have a 100-person firm and now they have a platform that's consolidated and keeps everybody on the same page?